Our planet Earth has the surface area of roughly 5.1 billion square kilometers. 71% of that area is covered with water. So I wonder, since Earth means ground, why do we call our planet like that? Anyway, in theory, people occupy only that one-third of our planet. In 2017, us humans consist of 7.6 billion individuals, and this population is growing almost exponentially. In our daily lives, we consume goods and services, and unfortunately, we also produce waste, and a lot of it. In every year, us humans, we produce over 2.1 billion tons of garbage, and 14 million tons of that ends up in the oceans. That equals a full truckload of garbage dumped straight into the ocean every minute. The value of this waste is calculated to be somewhere between 80 to 120 billion US dollars, but no one seems to care, and this is why our oceans slowly but surely fill up with garbage. Almost all of the plastics that us humans have produced ever still exist, and most of that ends up as waste. Take a normal water bottle, for example. The PET bottle that we use on a daily basis are produced over 500 billion units every year, and that pace is growing 4.7% every year. Under half of those bottles ends up to recycling. Another very common trash are disposable plastics, like can holders or wraps that hold your chocolate bar, and these cannot be even reused. Plastics are being produced and used for two reasons. Plastic is durable and it's cheap to manufacture. Take fishing line, for example. It takes 600 years for a fishing line to disintegrate into nature, 450 years for a plastic bottle, plastic can holder, 400 years, 20 to 40 years for a plastic bag. Plastics that end up the ocean wind up in two ways. They wash on the shores, or they gather as great garbage patches in the great oceans of our planet. What do? We are determined to extract that plastic, so they would not cause any harm in the future. We will focus on rivers, because on the shores of those rivers live most of us humans, and well, most of the waste is produced also, and by cleaning the rivers, we stop plastics to enter the ocean. There are many solutions for this problem available on the market, but we are determined to make it better, more economic, much more smarter, more efficient and more adaptable, because we want that no living has to suffer from the plastic waste, not now and not in the future. We would like to welcome you all to participate in this project. As you have heard, this project is important and it is vital to us all, so please contact us. We need your help. Only by working together we can save this planet.